It's not at all. That's a tiny fraction of it. The US government spends about between $6 and $7 trillion every single year. Yeah, it's insane. The defense budget alone, the Pentagon's budget is about 800 billion, so almost $1 trillion. And they're spending this every single year, and they buy everything. They're not just buying weapons and ammo. They need to buy uniforms and boots and food and vehicles and fuel and laundry services and janitorial services and landscaping services and real estate. And the government literally buys everything because it's an organization with millions of people working for it, based all over the world. They've got, I think, army bases in something like 40 to 50 countries. And they have to support all that. And you know, you can, an army doesn't just need bullets and guns, it needs all the other things. And the soldiers need to eat, they need transportation, they need entertainment, they need air conditioning, you know, they need all these other things to support them. And so the way the government buys everything through the government contracting system. So if you know how to do government contracting, you can sell literally anything to the US government, and they're constantly buying new things, and they're the most reliable customer in the world because they're never going to go bankrupt.